Self-development Lee TV. Why is 챗GPT-4 better than other AI chatbots? Hi, everyone here. Today, we're going to talk about 3 leading platforms in the field of artificial intelligence chatbots. OpenAI's 챗GPT-4, Microsoft's Bing, and Google's Bard. Among them, let's take a look at the advantages of 챗GPT-4 over the other 2 platforms. So, let's take a look at the 10 characteristics. A deeper and more accurate answer. For example, when a user asks the question, "How do you calculate the distance between planets?" 챗GPT-4 can answer in detail the key points. The principle of the planet's orbit, the average distance, and so on. Flexible conversation management. Flexibility in complex conversation situations. For example, if a user asks a question that addresses multiple topics at the same time, 챗GPT-4 responds appropriately and provides answers for each topic. Improved creativity. For example, when a user asks for ideas for a product that they don't already have, 챗GPT-4 allows you to make creative suggestions accordingly. Rich cultural understanding. For example, if a user asks about a particular cultural event or custom, 챗GPT-4 can explain the background and meaning of it in detail. Long-term conversation continuation. If users continue to ask questions about complex topics, 챗GPT-4 can maintain knowledge of the topic and provide consistent answers. High user satisfaction. Through actual user feedback, 챗GPT-4 showed higher satisfaction compared to Bing and Bard. More language support. 챗GPT-4 can serve users worldwide by supporting multiple languages. Fast response. 챗GPT-4 responds quickly as soon as the user asks a question. This allows users to quickly obtain the information they want. Provide the right information. When a user requests specific information, 챗GPT-4 provides accurate and detailed information. Secure conversation. For users with inappropriate language or aggressive behavior, 챗GPT-4 minimizes user inconvenience by providing a secure conversation experience. As such, 챗GPT-4 demonstrates superior performance over Bing and Bard in a variety of ways, including in-depth conversation, creative answers, cultural understanding, and a safe conversation environment. From the user's point of view, these advantages enable much richer and more informative conversations. I will come back with another AI issue next time. Then, have a happy day today. Thanks for watching.